Hi there folks, my name's Jonathan Denwood, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can profit, promote and sell digital products connected to your membership website. I'll be back in a few moments. We're coming back, folks. Like I say, I'm the founder of WP-Tonic. The best place that you can find to build a membership learning management website on the power of WordPress. And in this video, I'm going to be speaking about how you can effectively profit from offering digital products connected to your membership website. Now, let's start off firstly is you've got to do your research, and it's very similar situation to when you were first building out your first course for your membership website. If you do a bit of research, you find out what your target audience is really looking for around digital products. You're going to have a bigger success quicker by doing some research. And the great thing is it's a lot easier to do. There's a load of Facebook groups, social media in general. You can join those, you can start asking questions, start writing down methodically the answers that you get and the kind of problems, questions that you are observing in the groups that you're a member of. It's a great free way of finding in the psyche of your target audience. Second thing is minimum viable digital download that you're going to be selling. Don't go crazy making it too complicated, too long-winded to build or make, I should say, and too expensive. You're trying out the market, so keep some parameters to what you are offering initially. Obviously, it's got to have value in what it's offering to the target audience, but that's why you've done your research. Another factor is it is a superb way by regularly offering either a discount or offering a sample offering to your membership. It's a great way of offering further value at slightly discounted rates if people join the membership packages that you're offering, supplying regular digital downloads to that existing membership, and then offering them at an increased price to non-membership members, and promoting that as one of the reasons why they should sign up for membership. It's a win-win cycle in my mind. Also, the actual buying experience is important. That's one of the great reasons to use WordPress with WooCommerce, with either cart flows or Woo funnels that enable you to build really flexible one-page checkout pages where you can have bumps up and bumps down inbuilt. A bump up is basically they buy a membership and then they're offered could be digital products which are linked to the particular membership they're buying at discount that appear as suggestions in the one-page checkout page. You can have that apply. If they say no thank you, you can then have a lower product appear at a lower price. That's a down bump. You can do all that in what we offer at WP-Tonic and other WordPress platforms, which you don't get with some of the SaaS competitors out there. But having that really superb one-page click out, and it's a bit like the, you know, what you're trying to do is copy some of the best sellers out there. You know, example, Amazon. You know, the one thing Amazon makes sure is it's bloody damn easy to buy something, and then through their suggestion feature and other UX elements, they make it as easy as possible to buy upsells, and real easy delivery. So if you can copy them, the better your experience is, the more sales you get, the more profitable your membership website. I'm going to leave it there. I was just putting some ideas in your mind. If you found this video really useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really does encourage me to make more of these videos. And I've written a great post that goes into a lot more detail than this video, and you'll find the link below the video. And I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.